こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, kanji lesson number 6 of JLPT N4. The first kanji is this one, and we pronounce fu or bu, and the meaning is not. It's not like this, not. The contrary, opposite. This part of the kanji, this blue line, symbolizes the stem of the flowers or stalk of flower. And the other part, this one, this is swollen bud. So this kanji symbolizes just like a flower, the flower's bud is swollen like this, and I puff up my cheek like this. If I want to show my rejection, I want to say no, no. So this is the meaning. Stroke order from the left to the right, this red line like this, going up. The second line begins not from just in the center, a little bit to your right side and going your left. The third stroke is this, the part of the stem of a flower. So, and this one is just in the center of this kanji. So this blue line going straight down. The last stroke is this green line, this one, and from here going your right and diagonal down. And this point is out more outside from this red one, and also this black line, this one finished out more outside than this red one. Okay, so like this. In the previous kanji video number 5, we learned benri, and this is very convenient. But now fuben, using this one, so it means not. This is contrary. So fuben, it means inconvenient. This adjective anshin, this one anshin, it means to feel relieved. Now using this fu, this means not, and ang, fuang, it means to feel uneasy, to feel worried, to be worried, or also anxious. This is huan. To have enough, to be sufficient. This is the verb tarimasu. To become insufficient, to run short of, not enough. This is this one, fusoku, because fu, this means not. And here, soku, this is the same kanji of this one. This is ashi, but we pronounce ta like this, or also soku, fusoku. So this is fusoku, shortage, not enough. Short-staffed, we say hitode busoku. It's quite interesting. Hito, this is person. Te, this is the hand. But here together we pronounce hitode instead of te, hitode. And fusoku, instead of fusoku, we say busoku with tenten also here, this one. Hitode busoku, short-staffed. Water shortage, mizu busoku. Mizu busoku, water shortage. In the previous kanji video number 5, we studied yuri. So there are advantages, or there are profit. Yuri, advantages. But now using this kanji fu instead of you, furi, this means no advantage. So furi, disadvantage, furi. This na-adjective, hitsuyo, it means necessary, because hitsu, it comes from kanarazu, kanarazu, without any fail. Yo, it comes from this verb, irimasu. Irimasu, it means it's necessary. It's necessary. So hitsuyo, without any fail, it's necessary. This is hitsuyo, necessary. Now I want to use this one, fu and yo. So this is the contrary, not. So fuyo, it means not necessary. Not necessary. Fuyo. This adjective, na-adjective, kano, kanona, it means possible. Do you remember kano doshi? This is potential verbs. Kano, potential verbs, doshi. So it means something is possible. So kanona, this is possible, possible. And now I add fu, fukano, fukano. It's impossible. fukano, impossible. Second kanji of today is this one, and this comes from this verb, kirimasu. And kirimasu, this is to cut, to cut. Stroke order. The first one is this red one, and this is not so long, from the left to right, and always going a little bit up, like this one. The second stroke is this black one, from here up, just straight down, and like this, like the image of you cut with your the katana, like this, okay? And please be careful, this is not just in the center, a little bit to the right one, a little bit right, and this gonna be the better in the harmony, so a little bit not just in the center, okay? Third stroke is this blue line. From here you're going like this, and now you're going a little bit inside, and this is long line and jump. Fourth and the last stroke is this green one. From here you are going to your left, like this. This kanji symbolizes the left part is how to cut. With this one, the right one, katana. You know, katana is Japanese sword. So with Japanese sword, to cut. So this is the image of this kanji, kirimasu, to cut. We pronounce ki from kirimasu or ki with a jump sound, small tsu, ki, and setsu. When we pronounce this kanji, setsu, and this is the other meaning. You imagine that knife is here in the face. So that knife touching the face. So this is imminent, something urgent, right? Something urgent. But at the same time, it's so close. It's really close. It's close to my face. So close. So this means very, very close. Let's see some jukugo. Jukugo, it means combinations of kanji. The first one, and this kanji, and this one. This is te, hand. But here we pronounce kit with small tsu, jump sound. Kitte, kitte. This means postal stamps. Now this adjective, taisetsu. Taisetsu, you see, this kanji, tai, this dai, oki, big. So something big. And here we pronounce setsu, setsu. As I told you, when this setsu, it is something very near. So something really near. Taisetsu, this means very important, significant for me, precious for me. Taisetsu, important. Taisetsu. Other na-adjective. Shinsetsu, kind. Shin, this kanji is oya, parents. And setsu, this is from this one. The literary meaning of this shinsetsu, this shin, the oya, this is like parents, so close. So the relationship, it's so close, this one. And setsu, this is from my heart, really dearly from my heart, dear, my dear. So shinsetsu, from my heart, I treat you like my own family, so close. So shinsetsu, kind. Now we can add this kanji fu. The meaning is not. So fushinsetsu, not kind. So fushinsetsu, it means unkind or impolite. Fushinsetsu. The next kanji is this one, and the meaning is origin. This kanji symbolizes, this part is like a round head on a person. This is like a person. So the round head, this is the prime part of the body, the prime part. So from the prime part, the very important part. So from here, this is the origin, the most important origin. The way to pronounce is moto, gen, gang. The stroke order is very easy. At first, this one, like two from kanji ni, like ich and ni, but always going like this, going up. And the first line is shorter than the second one. Second one is much longer than the first one. The third stroke is this blue one. You are like this, going to your left. And now this green one, at first you must go straight down. And here you turn to the right. And this is quite longer than here, more outside, then jump in the end. Full of energy, spirited, cheerful, or healthy, fine, well. This is genki. Because ki, this is inner energy, ki, that we've got inside, ki, inner energy. And this is original inner energy. So this is full of energy. So genki, it means all of them. For example, お元気ですか? How are you? あ、どうもありがとうございます。元気です。I'm fine. I'm well. 元気です。元気. This case we pronounce 元日. 元日. The original day. 元日, original day. It means the 1st of January. So it is like お正月. お正月, New Year. So 元日, this is also New Year, or the 1st of January. Next kanji is this one, and we pronounce su or ko. And the meaning is I like. This kanji symbolizes the left part. This is onna, woman. We learned in JLPT N5, woman. And this one is also we learned ko. Ko, it means child. Woman and child. Woman and child. Because women love children. Women love children. So this means like. Na-adjective, 好き. Because this means like. But for example, this is na-adjective. So the person that I like. 好きな人. The things that I like. 好きなもの. Favorite dish or favorite food. 好物. Here we pronounce this kanji 好物. This is the 好き that I like. This kanji is もの thing, like the favorite thing. But here we pronounce 好物. And when we say 好物, this is only for the food, the meal. Okay? 好物. Favorite meal, favorite food, favorite dish, 好物. And really, I love it so much, then we can add 大. 大好物, my super favorite. Goodwill, or good and positive feeling, or affection, or also kindness. Koi. The fifth and the last kanji of today is this one. And this comes from the verb 急ぎます. 急ぎます to means to hurry. Hurry up. Hurry. This kanji symbolizes here, this part is kokoro, heart, right? This one, kokoro. So here, this is like a person with a heart. But this part symbolizes a hand trying to reach someone, trying to catch someone. So the person must be in a hurry to get away. Oh, I don't want to be caught like this. So this means to hurry, to be in a hurry. 急ぎます. Now the stroke order. The first one is red one, 1, and second one this black line, 2, like this. If this is longer, this black line, then this would be ku from katakana, kakiku, right? But be careful. The first line, this red one, is longer, and the second one, it's not so long as ku. So this is short. Now this part looks like yo from katakana, ya, you, yo. Do you remember? So if you know katakana very well, that helps you to learn kanji better. So this one, it's like yo. The first one is this blue line, 1. But be careful, you must go to inside like this. And now green line in the center and red one. This space, this one and here, about the same ratio, okay? Now the last part is the part of the heart. This one. The first one is this black one. 1. And now the blue one. 2 with this curve like this. And jump. And the green one. And the last, this red line. This kanji can pronounce iso from isogimasu or Q. Q. Just like a 9. Q. And in this case, Q ni. Adding ni, this is adverb. Q ni. Suddenly, all of a sudden, 急に ambulance, 救急車 the same 救急車 but the kanji meaning, the first one, 救います this is the verb to rescue, to save, and 救 the second one is the same, in a hurry. 車 this is car, 車 so the car that goes fast to save someone, to rescue someone. 救急車 ambulance. Limited express. This is about the train. 特急. We learned this kanji 特, the 特別 special, in the previous kanji video. That special and hurry. So 特急 limited express. Urgent business or urgent matter that I didn't expect. 急用. 急用. Q, the same kanji. The Q, hurry. And yo, this comes from 用事. 用事があります. I've got something to do. 用事. But in this case, Q, so it's urgent. Urgent matter. Urgent business. Now a quiz time with 5 translations into Japanese. And please use kanjis, okay? But I'm gonna please try to use the kanjis that we learned before too, not only the today's lesson, okay? 1番目 My father's favorite food is beef, but my mother's favorite food is fish. 2番目 There's a staff shortage in this company now. 3番目 Sky became dark suddenly. 4番目 I want to go to Kyoto with my close friend or with my dear friend. 5番目最後です。My grandmother is well. My grandmother is okay or healthy, active. With this number 6 video of kanji of JLPT4, you learned already 30 kanjis. If you liked this video and you think this was useful for you, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it too. And also if you can share my videos with your friends, that will be a great help for me, please. いかがでしたか？今日もまた5つの新しい漢字を勉強しました。もうこれで4級の漢字は30マスターしたことになります。このビデオが役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとっても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは皆さんの日本語の勉強のために役に立つビデオをたくさんアップしています。文法や漢字、でもそれだけではなく日本の文化も紹介しています。これからも皆さんが喜んでくださる限りどんどんアップしていこうと思いますので、ぜひ応援してください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあね、またね。